how to create the talking fruits with the free version of all AI tools. Step-by-step tutorials on
Hi,
how to
I'm
create
Mint.
this.
I help fight bad breath by refreshing your mouth and neutralizing odor-causing bacteria.
Fiber works like a cleaner in your gut. It sweeps out excess
Step by step.
hormones,
So
helps
today I'll be
insulin
teaching you
work
how to
better,
actually
and
create
keeps
your
digestion
talking
balanced.
fruits, talking objects, anything in your house that you want to talk and act, and you want to start up a channel to start creating videos like this and get monetized. I'll teach you how to actually create it for free and get monetized without any copyright. Do this. These videos are monetized on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, every social media platform, and they are trending. When I mean trending right now, if you know how to choose the best topic for this talking object, you'll be making lots of money in the next month for free with all the free AI tools today. So yeah, I've been getting this question a lot and you all want me to teach you how to do this, okay? And don't forget to comment in the comment section the next AI tool you want me to review for you, or the next AI kind of video you want me to teach you how to create, because I am your girl. So let's go into this video and let me teach you how to do this. First, I'll be starting with ChatGPT. So I'll open my ChatGPT like so. Even if you don't have a paid ChatGPT, I want to show you how to use this even when you do not have a paid ChatGPT, okay? So first thing first, I'll type, give me motion prompt, okay? Give me motion prompt with different talking fruits. So this is what I'll actually put here. Same style, like this prompt, okay? Now this is the prompt. I'll skip below. I'll just take a little pause below, one step, then I click and I paste this prompt. I'll put this prompt in the description box for you all, okay? So once I have this, I actually said motion prompt with different. So you ask for, like, let's say 6 motion prompt, or 10 or 20 or 30, depending on what you want, okay? So I'll just put 10. Let's just put 10, okay? Give me 10 motion prompts. So that is it there. So you start by saying, give me 10 motion prompts with different talking style fruits, okay? Now, once you have everything like this, then you click here on generate and wait for ChatGPT to give you. Now, this is the prompt on the screen. You can screenshot it and use it too. Once you put different, they'll give you different fruits. Now, why I am using this method, because a lot of people say they do not have the paid version of ChatGPT and they cannot go into Explorer. So this is the easiest way you can actually get this prompt for you to get your everything that you want without using the paid ChatGPT, because ChatGPT will give you. All right. So yeah, we have this. Now, once you have your prompt like so, you have prompt 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10, because we ask for 10. So we have it to 10. Now, those of you who want to start doing it as content, you can create a content calendar with it and whatever. See, they ask you, turn this into 30 days content calendar. If you want, you turn it into a content calendar for those of you who want to start up your channel, okay? Now, once you're done doing that, the next thing that you do is, say the next thing after you get everything, you say include, because you don't want to do it at once since you're not using the paid version, okay? So I'll say include audio script, voiceover script. I'll say include voiceover script for each. Yeah, include voiceover script for each. It should be about healthy tips, okay? Depending on what you want to do. If it's about healthy tips or whatever that you want to do, it's okay by you. It should be about healthy advice, okay? It should be about healthy advice. Now, once everything is done, then you click on generate. Guys, why I am using this method, it is because a lot of you do not have the paid version of ChatGPT, but you want to get this. All right. So yeah, so this is what we do. Now it comes with the motion prompt, and then you have the free version, you have the voiceover here. All right. You go down, you have the prompt and the voiceover. You go again, you have the prompt and the voice script. Okay. So that is how we do it. Now, what you need to do here is you go to the first one, you copy the first one. So I'll copy motion prompt first. Copy the motion prompt. So this is the first prompt. Now, after copying your prompt, you have different tools that you can use. There's Kling AI, there's Pixverse, but I'll use the free method for you all, for those of you doing the free section. You don't want the paid tools. Now, I'll use Grok AI to do this. I have copied the first one. I'll copy. So I'll show you how you do everything and then you put it together. Okay? So yeah, I'll show you how you do everything and then you put it together in your videos. Put it in a long video, make it a long form or a short form video. I'll show you how to do that. Now I'll go here on Grok AI. Open your Grok AI and then you click on Imagine. Once you click on Imagine, down here you have where it says Type to Imagine. When you click there, Type to Imagine, you paste your prompt. This is our first prompt. You paste the first prompt. Once you're done pasting the first prompt, then you click on the video section of it, because here you have image and video. So if you leave it at image, it only creates an image for you. So you need to take it to the video section, okay? Once you click on the video section, then you click here on Generate. You click on Generate and then you wait for it to generate. So once it generates and you do not like it, you regenerate again, because this is AI and you're using the free version of AI. Do you understand? Because sometimes you can actually generate and you don't get exactly what you want because it is AI. You guys put that in your head. Don't say, oh, I did mine and it did not come out perfectly. No. Yes, me too, I did a lot of times before I got it right.
Hello, I'm Strawberry. I help support healthy blood and protect your body with antioxidants. Hello,
Okay.
I'm Strawberry. I help support healthy blood.
We have that one done. So the next thing is I'll go back. I'll copy the second prompt. Once I copy the second prompt, this is the lemon. Copy. Take it back to Grok AI. Once you get to Grok, you do the same movement again. So you do this to all your prompts for me not to waste your time, okay? Click that, generate, and wait for it to generate. You do this with every prompt that you generate. Every prompt that you generate, you do this. Now, you have to understand that there are AI tools that will give you the best, super hyper realistic images that you will love. But most of these AI tools are paid for. Now, if you're just starting a channel, this is good for you. I will not discourage you on this one.
Hi, I'm Lemon Rabbly. I help cleanse your system and keep blood flowing fresh.
You see? So this is another one and it's perfect. Now you click down here and you click on download that as well. Now when you're done doing that, when it comes to your reels now, you already have your videos. If you're doing it for TikTok, if you're doing it for TikTok or you're doing it for YouTube Shorts or you're doing it for Instagram Reels, it is perfect. Now, the next thing you need to do is to go to CapCut. You open your CapCut like so. You click on New Video. Then you bring in your first and your second video. You click on Add Together. You have it like this. Now, on this, if you want to make it actually educational, you click here on Auto Captions and you generate your auto captions. Even if it's for kids or for adults, it is very interesting for people to watch. Now, with the auto captions, it makes it more nicer, okay? You click on auto captions and you have it like this. Click your auto captions, you click style, you can choose fonts, you can choose any style of your choice, Templates, let's choose a template that works well with this kind of videos.
Hello, I'm Strawberry.
Good. So we have this.
I help support healthy blood and protect your body with antioxidants.
So this is perfect. Once you're done doing this, just export your video and post it on all your social media platforms. These are videos you can post across every social media platform. You don't need to stress it. So bye guys. Comment in the comment section the next AI video you want me to teach you on how to create. Bye.